see. So this US oil analysis for Wednesday, the 25th of July. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we have seen prices come down towards this 67.73 here on the US oil, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum take us above the 68.19 for the retest of that 67.73 before we've had a subsequent break of the 68.19. We've had price come towards this $69 barrel level, from which we have seen a bit of a pullback from the $69 barrel level, but we've gone to consolidation in around this 200 period moving average. So if we can continue to hold above the 200 period moving average and hold into this consolidation, somewhat bullish consolidation, we are looking for a possible move up towards that 69.51 key level here on the US oil. And if we are successfully navigating the 69.51, we're looking to test our previous highs here in around the $70 a barrel level. If we do have a rather extraordinary day in terms of volatility, 79 may just come into focus. Don't anticipate that happening, but you just never know. If, however, we do break down from where we are at present or encounter resistance again in around the $69 barrel level, looking for a retracement down towards that 68.19, successful break from which we're looking to see price head down towards that 67.73, an area we previously held as support, and failure at the 67.73, but possibly CS test our most recent swing lows here in around that 67.12 on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So here on this daily chart, we can see we've had this rather sharp move to the upside up towards that $75 barrel level. We've had a subsequent breakdown towards the 67. We've gone to this consolidation after having such a sharp move here to the downside. So we'll see if we can see an acceleration momentum here to the upside, particularly if we can break and hold above 69.51, or whether this is just a retracement and we might see a further move to the downside. There remains a possibility of seeing a bit of a head and shoulders pattern develop here on the US oil. What will be required, of course, is for prices to fail in around that $73 barrel level. So we would require somewhat bullish move up towards the 73, possibly a failure from a daily chart perspective for the bearish price pattern of a head and shoulders pattern to come into the market. But we'll see how strong our recovery develops from here. A recovery to the upside. At present, we do appear to have gone to a bullish consolidation here after having that sharp retracement to the downside. So we'll see if we can see an acceleration momentum to the upside here on the US oil, or whether we'll see a realignment with the most recent move and see another move down towards possibly that 63.60 here on the US oil, which is our most recent swing low, and possibly an area we could find major support on US oil. Also in around that 63.60, we do have the 200 period moving average confluent, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.